trying to figure out why would I decide to start doing my hair.
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that.
I'm trying to figure out why would I decide to start doing my hair at like 7 o'clock for real. I really got started like 7:30. Wow. I know I'm not gonna be nowhere near finished tonight. Had to stop to go get my husband, but day one.
But I need that time and I see your point.
Is a heart of a woman. Yeah. Is a heart of a
I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug.